Imagine this. You live in Cuyahoga County, maybe Cleveland, Parma, or Lakewood. You wake up with itchy bites on your arm. You think maybe mosquitoes, or maybe it's just stress. But what if I told you one Cleveland resident ignored those bites for weeks and discovered an entire bedbug colony living inside her mattress? And by the time she found them, they had already spread to her couch. Today, I'm going to tell you exactly what happened, and more importantly, how you can stop this from happening in your home. A few weeks ago, a woman living in a small apartment outside downtown Cleveland started noticing something strange. Every morning, she woke up with 3 or 4 bites in a straight line on her arm. At first, she thought it was allergies, then stress. She even changed laundry detergent, but the bites kept coming. One night, she woke up around 2:30 a.m. and felt something crawling on her neck. She grabbed her phone flashlight and looked at her pillow. And there it was, a tiny reddish-brown bug about the size of an apple seed. That's when panic hit, because if you've ever dealt with bed bugs, you know that once you see one, there are usually dozens hiding nearby. She pulled the mattress away from the wall, and that's when she saw the signs. Dark black spots along the seams, tiny shed skins, small blood stains on the sheets, all classic signs of a bedbug infestation. And unfortunately, this is happening more and more across Cuyahoga County. Experts say older housing and shared walls in apartment buildings allow bed bugs to move from unit to unit through pipes and wall cracks, which means sometimes you didn't even bring them home. They came from the apartment next door. The problem escalates, 2:30 to 3:20. Within 2 weeks, the infestation spread. The bugs moved from the bed to the couch to the baseboards, even inside electrical outlets. Bed bugs don't jump or fly, but they crawl into tiny cracks and come out at night to feed while you sleep. And because they reproduce quickly, one female can turn into hundreds of bugs in just a few months. This is why so many Cleveland residents feel overwhelmed when they discover them. Now, here's the important part. There are ways to fight back, especially if you catch them early. Some of the tools many homeowners use include mattress encasements. These trap bed bugs inside the mattress so they can't bite or reproduce. Bed bug interceptor traps placed under bed legs to catch bugs trying to climb onto the bed. Residual bed bug sprays that kill bugs and eggs hiding in cracks and baseboards. And one of the most important steps is decluttering and cleaning the right way so they have fewer places to hide. I'll leave links in the description to some trusted bed bug products people use at home. But here's the truth most people don't realize. Killing bed bugs isn't just about spraying something. You need a system, a step-by-step process. That's exactly why I created my Bed Bug Survival Guide ebook. Inside, I show you how to confirm you actually have bed bugs, where they hide. Most people never check, the cleaning system that breaks their life cycle, and the mistakes that cause infestations to come back. If you're dealing with bed bugs right now, or you just want to protect your home, you can grab the guide in the description below. And if you live in Cuyahoga County or anywhere in Ohio, this information could save you thousands of dollars in exterminator costs. If this video helped you, subscribe for more real bed bug stories and solutions, because the more people who know what to look for, the easier it becomes to stop these infestations before they spread. And trust me, you never want to find out the hard way at 2:30 in the morning.